Hello traders and welcome to Financia.com. Today, we will talk about everything you need to know about order block and breaker indicator. Order block breaker indicator is an effective MetaTrader tool because it allows Forex traders to earn an elevated reward while taking little risk in Tradingview also. A price behavior that indicates that large players such as financial institutions and central banks are collecting orders at certain levels, which highly impacts and drives the Forex market. That is why traders should be aware of order block levels of the indicator on their charts. Keep in mind that there are bullish and bearish order blocks. Bullish levels consist of the last bearish candle just before an impulse up, and they act as significant support or demand areas. Whereas bearish levels consist of the last bullish candle just before an impulse down, and they act as meaningful resistance or supply areas. That is why you should know exactly how to identify and draw these order block levels. To spot a bullish order block, for example, first, identify the bottom of the fall down that would form a recent swing low. Secondly, draw a rectangle around it. Thirdly, extend the rectangle to the right side of the price chart into an empty area where the price can act or react in the future to build supporting areas. Likewise, for bearish order blocks. First, identify the top of the rally that would form a recent swing high. Secondly, draw a rectangle around it. Thirdly, extend the rectangle to the right side of the price chart into an empty space where the price can act or respond afterward to form resisting areas. However, the price may break these order block levels as a breaker. Hence, do not blindly trade at these areas as they can oftentimes shift into breakers. Now, what are breakers? A breaker is an order block that fails to maintain and the price eventually breaks into. Just like order blocks, there are bullish and bearish breakers. A bullish breaker forms when a bearish order block fails to stop price appreciation and the price breaks beyond it. Here, we expect this area to serve as support presently. Whereas, a bearish breaker shapes when a bullish order block fails to stop price depreciation and the price falls further. Here we expect this area to operate as a resistance currently. Finally, let's discuss how to trade the Forex order blocks. As we said before, do not trade order block indicator blindly as it can serve as a level breaker also. To trade with an order block indicator is recommended to use a high time frame. Then, choose an order block candle with a large body and short wicks against the dominant trend. When the price retests an order block, predict that the price will retrace from it in the future. However, the price can break it, and we talk about breakers here. Thanks for watching.